What happens when a Photoshop maverick sets up hidden cameras at a Stockholm bus stop? Take a look. Retouch artist Eric Johansson was behind a prank which transformed unsuspecting strangers into live ads right before their eyes. The initiative was part of Creative Day, an online event launched by software company Adobe to rally creative professionals and visionaries from across the Nordic region. In just 4 days, the video has garnered more than 11 million views. Next up is Pakistan, where a battle over YouTube wages on, potentially putting its mother company Google at risk. YouTube was banned in the country last year after releasing a controversial movie trailer, but Anusha Rahman, the new IT and telecommunications minister, vowed to pump in extra money if needed and do whatever it takes to bring YouTube back to Pakistan. Netizens shared concerns about reports that Rahman threatened to ban Google if it did not cooperate with filtering out blasphemous and objectionable materials from YouTube. But Rahman dismissed the news as misreporting. Nonetheless, Pakistanis online weighed in. Riyazat says Pakistan needs Google. Rahman responded saying, "We need technology, but without compromising on our moral, religious, and ethical values." Shakir pushed back saying, "What exactly are our values, and who determines them?" For more on those leads, be sure to visit stream.aljazeera.com. And also, let us know what stories you're following. They could end up on a future show.